Hi everyone, today I will take you through Kofax's Power PDF solution. Soft Solutions has been successfully distributing Kofax in New Zealand for more than a decade now, with their key offering being Power PDF. Power PDF is recognized as one of the leading PDF solutions to create, convert, combine, and edit PDF tools. Today, I will take you through the Power PDF interface, what it looks like, do a bit of editing for you as well, and really show you what it is all about and why you should consider giving it a go. So let's check it out. So this is what a PDF looks like when you open it within Power PDF. The interface of this Power PDF might look a bit familiar to you purely because it's modeled after Microsoft Office's ribbon, which we see that a lot in Office 16 onwards or 2019 onwards, where all of this ribbon is very similar in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and whatnot. Now, straight off the bat, what you can see within the Home tab, you can export this PDF straight to Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and a few of the other documents like the XPS document and the WordPerfect, which are probably used a lot in our industry. One of the other things I want to mention within this within Power PDF is its ability to collaboratively create, edit, and review documents. So for that, I've made a new document or new blank PDF here, which is just nothing here. But on the left side here, you can see there's a button called Collaboration. So what this does is it allows you to work with other people in real time, or other users in real time, on the same local area network, same LAN. So there it is. So I will just click on this, and then I will go ahead and go start collaboration. If someone is online, it should pick up all these other users who are here, and then go ahead. I can select them and go start. So in real time, we can create, edit, and review documents together. It's very beneficial for example, marketing teams, to work together on any sort of marketing collateral. Next up, I quickly want to show is, of course, the signature side of things. Kofax have their own verified signatures, Kofax Sign Doc, but there's also DocuSign built in as well, so you can save your signatures and sign PDF straight away. And also, whilst we're on the security side of things, it's 128-bit and or 256-bit AES encrypted as well, and also has permission controls built into Power PDF. Now, I was going to send this particular PDF to one of my partners, and then I realized that the SolarWinds MSP logo is old now. Now they've changed their name to Enable. So what I will do is I will need to go to the Edit tab right on the top, and I will go Edit Object because the logo is an object rather than a text. So I will just go ahead, as you can see, the cursor changed to this flying ship. I will click on the SolarWinds logo. Let me just drag it to the side here, and then we'll go ahead and place image. So I'll go ahead and place, there you go, all files. I got the Enable logo on the desktop. Hit open, and there is the logo. So let me just decrease the size a bit. So it looks a bit more normal than before. Leave it where I need it to be. Yeah, here about is right, and I'll go ahead and delete SolarWinds MSP logo, and there you go. That's how easy it was for me to change a particular object within the PDF and just drag and drop to the new one. So it's not much of a learning curve is required for yourself and your team when they are working within Kofax Power PDF. So yeah, here it is. This is just a very quick demonstration of what Power PDF looks like, the dashboard itself, and how you can go ahead and use it. So if you have any questions on it, do let me know. Do let us know. I'm more than happy to sign you up for a trial and send you some pricing across.